Some mornings you want something besides oatmeal or coffee and toast. But like oatmeal and coffee and toast, you want it to come together quickly. I got you. Here are 2 ideas, one sweet and one savory, that you can try for your next breakfast. First are our vegan carrot cake pancakes with a cashew orange zest drizzle. Now to save time, we're gonna start with your favorite pancake box mix. You know what you like, so just grab that and let's go. So you're gonna mix this up according to your package directions, and then you're gonna fold in some grated carrots, some chopped golden raisins, some chopped pecans, and loads of cinnamon or pumpkin spice, whatever you like. Then you're gonna add your batter to the griddle and you're gonna cook it on both sides. Now while the pancakes do their thing, you are gonna get started on your drizzle. Pour some hot water, raw cashews, maple syrup, and orange zest into the blender. You want the texture to be something that you can pour and drizzle, not scoop. So make sure you use enough liquid to make the cashew mixture drizzly. You can always adjust this by adding more liquid if necessary. And then once it's well blended, taste your cashew orange zest drizzle and make sure it's sweetened to your liking. And then you're gonna serve your pancakes with more grated carrots, some toasted pecans, and your cashew orange zest drizzle on top of it, with a little bit of coconut whipped cream. And if you are feeling extra sweet, then add a drizzle of maple syrup too. Enjoy. Now, you may not be feeling all that sweet stuff, right? And you're used to a more savory start to your day. Here's what I got for you. If you like meaty potato scrambles, hash browns, that sort of thing, then I want you to try this vegan plantain chorizo hash. Now this right here is for my savory lovers who want a crispy, salty, spicy flavors to start their day. To keep things easy, we are going to start with frozen green plantains because these are gonna whip up way faster than their fresh counterparts. So you're gonna chop these into bite-sized pieces and then you're gonna add them to a preheated skillet to brown and crisp up on both sides. Now while that's browning and crisping, we're gonna start with our vegan chorizo. We're using Pumfu, which is a brand that uses pumpkin seeds to mimic meat-like textures. It's perfect for those of you who have allergies or sensitivities to gluten, soy, or nuts. In a different pan, we're gonna brown off some onion, and then we're gonna add a mix of red and green peppers for a pop of color and taste. And then once those are cooked, we're gonna add in some garlic. Now, once you have your veggies the way you like them, whether that's soft or kind of crunchy, then you're gonna add in your vegan chorizo. Now, just a tip, I recommend tasting the vegan chorizo on its own to see if it's spicy enough for you. I know for me, I can be a bit of a flavor maximalist, and I added some hot sauce and adobo and salt to get the full flavor that I wanted. Now at this point, you can stop. But like I said, I love all the things. So I also added some chopped tomatoes and some green onion to the pan because why not? Hello? So once you have your vegan chorizo and it is warm through, you're gonna add those crispy green bite-sized plantains to the pan and just mix that in. And then just to serve it, put in a bowl, top it with more green onion, cilantro, and a side of creamy avocado. You are going to love it. You're welcome. All right, y'all, happy breakfast. And if you want the recipe for this vegan plantain chorizo hash and other delicious breakfast ideas, then you already know. Get my Mindful Plate cookbook. It is linked below. And I will see you next time. Ciao.